In this video, I am featuring a really inexpensive lipstick that I have discovered and been shocked by. Biotique Magicolor, all 15 shades. How well is it faring? Is it really good? Irrespective of the price, is it performing really well? I will share all of it with you. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Parna Ganesh and I welcome you to this video of Joy Geeks. I create beauty and wellness content here and I'm more than thrilled to have all your love in all these videos all across. From the time I started, I am going to share with you Biotique Magicolor today, and it is a new find for me. I was pretty shocked when I got this and I wore just one shade. Cookie Crumbles is what I wore first, and I was really taken aback because this only costs rupees 125 and I got it on a further discount which came to less than 100 bucks. So as far as the packaging goes, it has a very cute packaging. They've done this outer box pretty nicely. I think it's very unique. It does stand out, from whatever else that one may have seen. And of course, the outer packaging is this plasticky pink, which actually reminds me of Barbies and reminds me of uh, playtime makeup, to be very honest. So it's cute. Main thing is that it seems sturdy. It doesn't seem cheap or that it's going to break easily, and it has a good locking system, which is great. The only grouse I have as usual is that there is absolutely no color reference on the outside. So when you have a few of them, you're going to be struggling to read it to see what shade it is. Other than that, I think for 125 bucks, this is really nice, especially because the most important thing is the formula, which feels good on the skin. I did purchase these from Amazon and I'm more than thrilled to realize that, especially when it comes to the local beauty products, I can dil khol ke shop on Amazon. And it started with Pack Cosmetics telling me that their stuff is original on Amazon. And I know that Amazon is huge. Of course, I'm a Jeff Bezos fan, but Amazon is huge and they get the best deals from all the brands. And I know that because they're so huge, they do get the best deal for their clients. So in all other aspects, it be my hard disks or my equipments and all of that, I do get great deals on Amazon. So why not beauty? Why can't I get? And I shop so much stuff, and I have not had any issue with the products, the quality. It's all original. And if I'm getting a better deal, if I am saving my money, why not you do the same? And also that there is a specific page made now where I can feature all my selected products, things that work for me on the page. I can possibly even add the makeup that I'm wearing, and it will guide you to the specific link on Amazon. As far as their claims goes, Biotique is saying that it is long lasting up to 8 hours. No, it doesn't last for 8 hours. I don't think any bullet lipstick would last for 8 hours. 3-4 hours is a good time, I would say, and you should be able to touch up. But when they say that it has a buttery smooth application, I completely agree. It is makhan like. It just as if it's really good the way it slides on your lips. When I say it is makhan, it you have to be careful that you don't put it out because it just glides so easily. The finish of these lipsticks, as they have said, it's because of the creamy application. It's super creamy looking. It is definitely not matte, but I don't mind that somehow because it's so comfortable on the lips. The only, I would think, what they've done is they've called it skincare infused. While I do feel that there is something in it which is moisturizing my lips, there's no other detail given on it, and it says nourishes your lips. That's all they've said. They haven't given us more details, but I like this lipstick. Somehow, I don't know, something about it makes me feel confident to wear it. If you have been liking this video for so long, if you've enjoyed this, just hit the smash button. That would really send all your love flying to me and keeps me motivated to keep going, and I would love to make a lot more content. Also share this with your friends if you haven't been, and if your friends like these kind of videos, please do share it. It has 15 shades. All of them are in the pink, red zone, few browns, maroons. This has been a shocker of a product for me, which is why I've brought all the 15 shades for you. Because I know a lot of you want to have affordable lipsticks, but trust me, I felt that this was, even though it's in an affordable category, I would be happy to wear this. this is barely there, and I would say this is a little patchy, so probably you should avoid the shade. It is that typical fluorescent coral shade that ends up being a little patchy. I would say Twinkle Pink is more suited to very lighter skin girls, and yeah, it's nice, but it's okay actually. Yeah, for our skin tone, but lighter girls it'll look wonderful. Ladies Night is this absolutely wonderful darkish pink with a red tone. Will suit across all skin tones. I really like this. It's this beautiful berry pink, and I know it is looking slightly red on camera, but it is a beautiful berry pink and it will look great across skin tones, sure. This is Bombshell, and this has that coral fluorescence to this coral pink, I would say, and I'm surprised that this is not patchy at all. It's not uneven. It's a well done formula. This I would say is a pure pink. It's not a coral pink. It's not a red toned pink. It's what a pink is like, if that makes sense. This Fire Me Up, it's a very pretty red color, very well pigmented. I think this will suit across all skin tones, and it has that coral tint to it. Nice one. This is Give Me a Rose, and it seems very close to Fire Me Up. This has a little more orange in it. What I'm wearing right now, just Give Me a Rose. But yeah, it is pretty close. If you've got one, maybe you can avoid the other. Say this is a true red. If you like your lips to look red and juicy, you'd like this because the finish is of course creamy. This is a shade called Hot Lips, and I totally love this shade because it's a red, but it's like a brown tinted red. I feel that I will be able to wear this on a daily basis. This is the first shade I had got from Biotique, and I felt head over heels for this because I loved the shade, I loved the application, I loved everything about it. If there is one shade I definitely want you to get, it is this one. So Cookie Crumbles gets a big thumbs up from me. This is Bond Girl, a brown red. Again, a shade that I do like, a shade which I feel is a muted red. So you can wear it more often. I like this shade. This is a shade called Very Moody, and it's this beautiful maroon shade that I totally loved. It is this really dark maroon tinted brown. So if you're into these dark shades, you're gonna love this. I think this will be a wonderful nude for very dark skin girls. Yeah, I wish somebody sent me a picture, somebody who's really dark. It'll look nice. As far as the shades go, you have two options to respond to it. You can say, oh, they're all pinks and reds, or you can say that, oh, there is a coral pink, there is a Rani pink, there is a dark pink, there is a red tinted pink, there is a orange tinted pink. It's totally up to you how you look at it. I would look at it like this, that somebody who loves wearing a lot of pinks and reds, you have all shades. So you will get the exact shade matching to your outfit. Try to look at it that way and you will really enjoy this. Team Joy Geeks is the hashtag we are using now, and I'm so glad so many of you are commenting with that. Keep that going. I'm more than happy to feature your comments on the screen because it gives me more joy to include all of you in the video. When I hit, I think 30,000 subscribers or 20,000 subscribers, I did call for you folks to send me swatches of, lipsticks and your pictures, and I made a video with that as well. That also was great fun. So stay connected with me. Keep commenting with your favorite shades or what is it that you would like to watch in future. I am more than eager to listen to your thoughts. And I hope you like this video. Like I said earlier, do not forget to hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.